common issue with Kubernetes cost management is that you pay for AWS and GCP and Azure by the instance, but you're actually running pods and labels and deployments and namespaces behind the scenes. And the number one challenge is to understand that how you can actually translate between the cost that you paid for the cloud provider and the cost that you actually used and contributed in Kubernetes. Oftentimes teams are like missing that kind of translation and resulting in a very hard time to understand what's their actual cost of the service that they're running and what optimization solutions and opportunities do they have. A common thing for developers to do is to just ask for as much resources as they can on the Kubernetes cluster without like thinking of the cost implications that it has. Something that my number one tip for Kubernetes cost management is to never trust the status quo. It's very okay and acceptable to deploy with like lots of resources to make sure that our service is behaving and reacting the way it should. But always come back and make sure that we're right-sizing the deployments. We're actually asking for the correct resources that we're consuming, and to make sure that we're not overloading our cluster with just pods that are over-provisioned and taking up space that costs us a lot of money. If you ever need any help with those kind of cost optimization or Kubernetes cost management in general, we here at Finout help you triangulate the cost between the cloud providers and Kubernetes, make sure that you're optimized and you can allocate and you budgeted and you forecast and you have your entire organization aligned around costs, Kubernetes included.